Hi, in today's video I'm going to be covering how to install the FFmpeg Rust scripts on NixOS. The FFmpeg Rust scripts are a port of my original FFmpeg shell scripts to Rust, and we have 32 statically compiled binaries that you can download and install from NixOS. So have a look at the full video overview in the link in the description, and what I'll do is crack on and show you how to get this installed on NixOS. I'll scroll down to the installation instructions and click NixOS, and then follow the steps that we need to complete to get this set up. So first of all, what we need to do is install the external dependencies. So on NixOS you don't need Rust installed to run the scripts, but you do need to install some external dependencies, which are FFmpeg full, yt-dlp, Dino and FD, and you can install those packages with the Home Manager. So the next step that we need to complete is to create a bin directory in our home folder to store the scripts, which can be done with make directory -p ~bin. After that, what we need to do is edit our ZSH env file if you were using the ZSH shell, and add the following code to add the home bin directory to our path. After that, what we need to do is export SDL_video driver equals Wayland for Wayland, or X11 for X11, and this is needed for FFplay to work correctly. After that, you will source your ZSH env file. So let me show you my ZSH env file. So up at the top, we have the path set here, we have path home bin, and then we have the path to the Nix profile bin directory for Home Manager. And then further down here, we have export SDL_video driver equals Wayland, because I'm running Wayland on this system. Now, if you're using Bash, the steps are pretty much the same. You would edit your Bash RC, add this code to add the path to the bin directory to your path, and again export the SDL_video driver for Wayland or X11 depending on which setup you're using. And then after that, you would source your Bash RC file. So the next step is to download the latest release. So if we click the link here, it's going to open the release page, and what we're going to do is download the tar.gz file here, and also the SHA-256 checksum. So we'll just give this a second to finish downloading, and then download the SHA-256 checksum. Okay, and what we then need to do is verify the SHA checksum. We'll come into the terminal. And it should say NixOS FFmpeg Rust Scripts, the version tar.gz OK. After we've completed that step, we can extract the tar.gz file by running this command. And as you will see here, we have now extracted the NixOS FFmpeg Rust scripts. And the final step is to move the all the scripts from that directory into your bin directory, and I've already done that step. And that's all there is to it, and I'll leave links to the full video overview in the description.